Yo, stack and pray, 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 yeah, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray, ay, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray, stack and pray.
Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So before we hop into this video, I just wanted to explain the difference between a sole proprietorship and an LLC. A sole proprietorship is the simplest and most common structure chosen to start a business. It is an unincorporated business owned and run by one individual with no distinction between the business and you, the owner, which essentially means that if you were to ever be sued, they will come for your business and personal assets. Since legally there is no distinction between these assets, they're both at risk. So that's pretty much what a sole proprietorship is. Now, with a limited liability company, also known as an LLC, this is a business structure in the United States whereby the owners are not personally liable for the company's debts or liabilities, which means your personal assets are protected and your business assets are not. So they will come for your business assets and all the financials instead of your personal. So I definitely would recommend getting an LLC as opposed to being a sole proprietor. So today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to obtain LLC through InkFile. This recording, I'm actually doing this all the way through. This is my first time getting my LLC, so this is an exciting one. So what I'm going to be showing you right now is the different packages that they have for your LLCs. Each package contains different services that they provide. The actual LLC is free, but because I live in Massachusetts and they like to get money from every single thing that they can possibly get, these packages, the prices that you see are the state fees. So for the cheapest package that I can possibly get, I have to pay $520, so that's the one I'll be selecting. But right now I'm just showing you guys the different features that these packages offer, and you can just look through and see which ones they that interest you. This package here comes with business contract templates. This one comes with an EIN number, an IRS form, operating agreement, and all that. And then this one comes with a free agent, I believe. So like if you have any tax questions or anything like that, you can reach out to them, and they will also make sure that there isn't any any issues with processing the LLC. And when I say issues, I mean that if there's somebody else out there that may have the same business name as you, they'll do the whole checking process for you and things like that. If you want to ask some tax questions for your business, because I know I had a lot of questions, you can do that or use them for that specific need. So now I'm just filling in my legal information, my name, last name, email, as well as my address. And then here I'm just showing you that they have different processing times. So for this one, you can do 1 day business filing or 3 weeks. They also have the electronically delivered. Once you complete your forms and all that, they can send it to you through your email, or they can send it to your actual home for like a physical hard copy. So you can do either or. I chose to get the 1 day delivery because I needed this rather quickly. And then I'm going to be now choosing my LLC name. So I'm just going to go down and select LLC because that's the entity that I want. And then I'm going to be putting in my business address, what type of business that I do, and all that. So InkFile has the option for you to use one of their professional business addresses, and this is perfect for people who are working from out of their homes. Their business are home based and they don't really want to put their home address on their LLC. So they will basically provide you with an address that you can use for your LLC, or you can just use your own address. It's really up to you, whichever one you wanted to do. I actually have a personal address that I use for my business, so that is what I'll be selecting. Okay, so we are at the point where InkFile would like to know if you are interested in inquiring a registered agent. Basically, the agent will be working on the back end of your LLC, making sure there isn't any current lawsuits or court orders with your LLC, meaning there's somebody else trying to get or obtain the same LLC as you, and they will provide this service to you for a year. So I actually ended up adding this into my package, and I thought this would be a good addition just to make sure that there isn't any complications with getting my LLC. And then now they're at the point where they wanted to know if you would like to obtain an EIN. But since I already have one, I already purchased one prior to getting my LLC, I didn't need to get an EIN, but they provide that service for you. It's an additional $70. They also provide a service where a representative from Bank of America will contact you and they will assist you in creating a business account with them. So I thought that was pretty cool, but seeing as I already have Bank of America, I don't really need that. And then here's what I was telling you guys about how they offer an electronic delivery. So I selected that because I wanted this LLC sent to me as fast as possible. And then here they also offer a free tax expert consultation. So I definitely added that into my package because any information on taxes for my business that I can learn and obtain, I will indulge in because I need every little bit of help I can get. So I definitely wanted that. Okay, so on this page, they're just informing me that for Massachusetts, there are 2 additional licenses that I may need to apply for. And they are offering me to basically get those applications sent over to me and all the information that I may need for an additional $100. But seeing as I already have that squared away, I don't need this service. So I'm just going to decline. Okay, so we are at the portion of the application where they want you to fill in your card information. So you guys know how that goes. You just put in your card information, process your payment, and then they will send you a confirmation email. After, I believe, 24 to 48 hours, it will then update you on whether or not your LLC was processed and if it was successful. And then you'll receive basically a congratulations email such as this one, and then that is how you file your LLC. So if you made it to the end of this video, thank you all so much for watching. We have now surpassed, I believe, 1,400 subscribers on this channel, so thank you all so much for supporting me, my business. And if you are interested in following any of my social media accounts, such as my personal or my businesses, please check the description box below. Make sure you are subscribed, and I will see you in the next video.